Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Decode ITES. Decode ITES provides you single learning platform for multiple IT technologies. My name is Rohit Garg and I am having 13 years of experience as database administrator, database developer and trainer. You can also follow us on my personal blog MS SQL Fun. Create machine in Hyper-V and install Windows Server 2016. This is next chapter in our SQL Server learning series. Guys, this is Hyper-V Manager that we to create a new virtual machine in Hyper-V, you need to right click here and create new virtual machine. So this is some basic information. Click next. You need to select your machine name Win 2016 underscore test. Store the virtual files at different location. By default, it will save your virtual machine files here. If you want to change this location, you can provide any location that you want. This is BIOS level settings. We will choose generation 1 here, which is the legacy one. Generation 2 is the latest one with the UEFI settings. How much memory you want to give your virtual machine. By default, it select 1 GB. Let's continue with this. Network connectivity. You can connect your machine with the default switch. It will connect this virtual machine on the same network on which your machine is running. If not, you can create a new virtual switch for this. So we will go with the default switch. Now this is the location where it will store your virtual machine file. This is the default space Hyper-V is giving to your machine. This is too much for testing purpose. We will give only 15 gigs here. Installation options. This page gives you 4 ways to install your Windows operating system. First one is install operating system later. That means later you can choose to install. Right now you can just create a dummy virtual machine. So actually you have 3 ways to install your operating system. So this is bootable CD or ISO image. By this you can install operating system with bootable floppy disk, and this one is install operating system from a network based installation server. We will go with ISO. Is asking for ISO image. I have provided the path, so let's click next. So this is the configuration that we have provided. This is the name of the machine, generation 1 gigs of RAM, will connect on default network switch. This is the location where your virtual machine files will be stored, and this will be the operating system. Once you click finished, it will create the virtual machine, configure the memory, attach it to network. But now this machine is not started yet. You need to start it, and once you start it, it will start accessing your ISO file and initiate the installation of your Windows operating system. So to see what it's doing, now let's connect it. So once you connect it, it will show the details what exactly happening during the installation. Now this is the first page. It's asking which language you want to install, time and currency format, keyboard input method, basic inputs. Now install. So this setup is giving me 4 options: standard evaluation desktop experience, data center evaluation, and data center evaluation desktop experience. We will go with data center evaluation desktop experience. Accept the end user license agreement. Go with the custom installation for new drive that we have created during the virtual machine configuration of 15 gigs. So once our installation is started, it will take some time. Let's wait. Our window is installed and is asking for administrator password, and we need to remember this password because this will be used for our initial login. So your window is ready. We have configured this machine to connect on default switch, so machine is automatically connect to the default network, and this is the machine. we successfully get installed Windows Server 2016. We will be using this machine for our SQL Server Learning Series practice lab. In future sessions, we will be downloading SQL Server Setup and getting it installed over this machine.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.